Today we are going to make green gram sundal in two different ways. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more new recipes. Let's take a bowl and add around 1 cup of green gram. And soak it well overnight or at least for 3 to 4 hours. After being soaked, your green gram will look like this. So we have to cook it in cooker for 1 or 2 whistles maximum. Here I am adding water. I am adding only half cup of water just to soak your green gram in it. We don't want too much of water. This is a very quick and easy recipe and very tasty recipe too. Just cook the green gram for 1 or 2 whistles. Here I am cooking for 1 whistle. Once your green gram is ready, take a pan, add some oil to it, add your urad dal and some mustard seeds and let it splatter. Once it starts splattering, then you can add some red chilli, handful of curry leaves, and then stir everything together. Once your tempering is ready, add your cooked moong dal or green gram dal or cherupire to the pan and mix it well. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. And once it's cooked, add some salt and stir it well. Add at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut and mix everything well. And your quick and easy spicy version of green gram sundal is ready. It's a very good snack, breakfast and dinner option, and it is high in fibers and protein. And now for the sweet version, take a cup of green gram, soak that also for around 2 to 3 hours or overnight and cook it for 1 whistle with minimum amount of water, that is water required only to soak the green gram in it. And cook it for 1 or 2 whistles. Now take the required amount of green gram in a pan and add some jaggery syrup to it. Here my jaggery syrup is little thin in consistency because I need the green gram to cook well in this jaggery syrup so that the green gram soaks the entire jaggery. Meanwhile, let's take a teaspoon of jeera and the cardamom and crush it well. Now add this crushed jeera to the pan and mix it well till the water is completely reduced. And once it's reduced, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated coconut and give a nice stir. Now the water is completely dry and your sweet sundal is also ready to be served. And if you have liked the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.